Hello kids, let's learn to week's name, colorful week's name kids. First color, yellow color, green color, light green color, pink color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color, orange color. Kids, week's name. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. M O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somar. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Repeat week's name. Sunday, Ravivar. Monday, Somar. Tuesday, Mangalwar. Wednesday, Budhwar. Thursday, Guruvar. Friday, Shukrar. Saturday, Shanivar. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.